Welcome back to the channel. We just got the Ford tractor running here recently. It was running good and we had another issue pop up. Let me get the camera turned around here and I'll show you what we have going on now. I think we have a starter problem, and I don't know, this has a ratchet style starter Bendix, but if you listen here, you can see the fan blade there and listen in. It's like the starter's trying to spin, but so now it's not doing anything. Before it would actually, if you'd hold down for a couple seconds, it would slowly turn the engine over. Now it's not. Right there it goes. See how it kind of cranks it over once or twice. So I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's, I'm not familiar with this ratchet style starter Bendix. So I don't know if there's a clutch or if the ratchet part can go bad. That I'm not sure about. So we're gonna get this starter pulled off. We're gonna take a look at this. I tried looking online. I've seen pictures of them, but I haven't seen much of them disassembled or explain how they work. So I don't know if it's that or if it's just the starter itself is bad. All right, I got the starter removed from the Ford. I did not record that. It's pretty straightforward. Disconnect your negative battery cable and 3 bolts. You got one here, and actually it's mounted in the tractor more like this. So you got 1, 2, 3 bolts. Power coming in. Other than that, it slides right out. So the gear here on this, I guess they call it a ratchet style Bendix. The gear looks fine. From what I could tell, the ratchet looks fine. I couldn't see anything really with it. Yeah, so there's no issues at all. The starter itself, I noticed, is not original to the tractor, which that's not too surprising, but if you see that blue paint, I would say this came off a newer 1000 series most likely when they started painting them blue. And then the previous owner of the tractor, my wife's grandfather, I know at one point years ago he painted this. So I'd say this has been replaced at some point. But nothing obvious here with the ratchet Bendix, which is what I was hoping, just because that part's cheaper. Everything here's packaged up nice. And there, I guess, is a starter. It's kind of tough to do one-handed here. Here it is next to the old one. A little bit different style here. I'm not familiar with these ratchet style driving gauges, but a little bit different style here. Everything's the same length there, everything looks good. Let's take this new and get it installed. All right, you can see I get a new starter here put in. Again, didn't film that, just pretty straightforward. This one I bought from Steiner Tractor. I think it was like 200 bucks for the starter and the ratchet style Bendix. So we got both. Got this one in and seems to work great. Definitely spins faster than the old one. But I'll set the camera up here and we'll hit the starter and we'll show you what it sounds like. This one does have a little different sound to it, but seems to work really well. Put a couple hours on it. So it's been running good. we got the old Ford going again. I still need to do another video on what my previous issue was, and I never went over that either. But we'll do that here. That's going to take time to record it. So, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you found this interesting. Like, it's a pretty simple fix. Just have to throw a new starter in. We're good to go again.